I put together this quick video on how to check your disk space. As you know, we are going to try to limit the amount of files we have on our computers to 2 gigs. So, how we check what we're using, if you go down here to Finder, open up Finder. I'm going to go to my home directory, which has Little House, and my user name, which is AOTool. And then I am going to right click on AOTool and choose Get Info. When this comes up here in the top corner, you can see that I am using 3.14 gigabyte of space. So I am 1 whole gig over, plus a little bit. So I need to get rid of some of my files. So I am going to click Close. And I'm going to go into my documents here. And you can see that I've got a bunch in here. Now, how do I know which ones are taking up the most space? I'm going to go across over here and click on Size, which will sort the size for me and tell me which of my files are the bigger files. If you don't have this view, up here are the different types of views you can look at. So this is one view. This is list view. The reason I suggest list view is because, again, it will give you the size of your files, and then you can sort by size to know which ones are taking up the most space. The other thing I recommend to do is look in your downloads folder. We download all kinds of things that we use and then we don't need it anymore. Or you saved it in your documents, but it's still in your downloads folder. If I right click and choose Get Info, you can see I've almost got I've got 231 meg just in my downloads folder. So getting rid of anything in my downloads folder will free up some space as well. So if I go in here, and again I can sort by size, I will show which of those are taking up the most space. So again, if I don't need this anymore, I can click and drag it into trash, or I can right click and move to trash. Either way, you can clean up your files, things you don't need anymore. And so here's this movie that I used for in-service. If I don't need it anymore, again, I can move it to trash. If you have any questions or you need help, please feel free to enter a ticket into the help desk, or you can call me at extension 119. Thanks so much.